Hi, Steve Weber here with CactusCanyon.com. Wanted to talk to you about the cost of cleaning your dog's teeth, and it varies greatly depending on where you live. If you use the scaling method at your vet, which is very dangerous, which requires general anesthetic, especially dangerous for older dogs. I would really think about this, put some thought into that before you allow your dog to undergo general anesthetic for this procedure. But I have some pictures here, and you can get on YouTube and see some actual scaling procedures. And when you see those, it just, you really hate to put your dog or your cat through that. Not only is it pretty invasive, they do have to take antibiotics afterwards, even. So there's a lot of things to consider in that. But that can cost anywhere from $200 to $400. We've had some customers tell us their vets were going to charge over $500 for the scaling procedure, and they always suggest doing that once a year. So that's regardless of the money, though. Really consider the dangerous aspect of putting a dog under anesthetic. It's the mortality rate is far higher than most people understand. Be sure and ask your vet about that and about other methods. But the scaling procedure can cost anywhere from $200 to $500 depending on where you live. To have that done, and yeah, it's a one-shot deal. Your dog can go in with pretty bad-looking teeth and come out, and they're all pearly white and good to go. But there are some dangers involved in that. And the other route you can take is using something like a Pets Life product, the gels and the spray. And it's not a quick fix. It takes a couple of months if the plaque is very bad. But the cost, and here again, it depends on the size of your dog. A smaller breed dog can probably get by with a couple of months treatment of one of the small gels, maybe a month and a half, and that's only $24.95 for the gels. So even if you had to buy a couple of those for larger dogs, you're still looking at well under $100 to treat the dog for a couple of months to get all the tartar off. And then once the tartar's off, you can cut way back on the how often you apply the gel or you do the brushing. If the tartar's gone, every 2 or 3 days is probably all it takes. It depends on the breed. Some breeds have more problems with plaque than others, but still, you can maintain your dog's teeth for a much lower cost than going to the vet for the scaling procedure each year. And it does take a little bit of effort on your part, but that's part of just owning the dog you have or your cat. You have some responsibilities there to do that, but it's really not that bad. You can easily spend no more than 5 minutes, even less. Once you teach your dog, train your dog to cooperate, the process can be very fast. In fact, it doesn't have to take any longer per day than it does for you to brush your own teeth. So really consider that, because the cost is very low, and also there are zero side effects. It's all natural, and there are no dangerous side effects that you have to worry about. So if you are worried about the scaling procedure, and if you're willing to do a little bit of work, put a little bit of effort into it, you can clean off that plaque in a couple of months and then keep it off quite easily. But I do suggest thinking about this anyway, or at least talk to your vet about those dangers, especially once your dog gets a little bit older. So, all right, if you have any questions, you can go to CactusCanyon.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and we have a contact method there. So look forward to talking with you if you have any issues or questions about cleaning your dog's teeth.